व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 8 का सिविक्स का चैप्टर 4 अंडरस्टैंडिंग लॉज के केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर। व्यूअर्स, इस वीडियो में हमने जो केस लिया है वो एक पैराग्राफ है और उसके ऊपर बेस्ड एमसीक्यूज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। आगे चलने से पहले आपको बता दें, इस चैनल पर दिखाई जाने वाली सभी वीडियोस क्लासेस वाइज प्लेलिस्ट में ग्रुप की गई हैं और सभी प्लेलिस्ट की लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे। क्लास 8 की दूसरी वीडियोस की प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक आपको वीडियो के एंड में भी मिल जाएगा और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी मिल जाएगा, तो वहां से आप देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। In ancient India, there were innumerable and often overlapping local laws. There were local laws, different communities have different laws, so innumerable laws and overlapping laws. Different communities enjoyed different degrees of autonomy in administering these laws among their own, because the laws were organized by people, local people, so the powerful people use their power to administer those laws. Next is, in some cases, the punishment that two persons received for the same time varied depending on their caste backgrounds, with lower caste being more harshly penalized. Lower caste people were harshly penalized as compared to powerful or rich people. Next is, this slowly began to change as this system of law began to further evolve during the colonial period. During colonial period, this type of laws began to evolve, means began to change. Some upgrading start to coming in such kind of laws. Let's discuss question answers. First question is, in ancient India, different communities enjoyed autonomy in administering law, or equality in law, or democracy in law. Answer is autonomy in administering law. They enjoyed autonomy. Next question is, earlier lower caste people were harshly penalized or discriminated, or both one and two. Answer is both one and two. They were discriminated as well as harshly penalized. Next question is, earlier system of law began to evolve during, options are medieval period, colonial period, or ancient period. Answer is during colonial period, when British came to India. Colonial period is the period when British came to India and start uh, ruling over India. Next question is, colonial law was, options are arbitrary or suppressive, or both one and two. Again, answer is both one and two. Colonial law was suppressive as well as arbitrary. Next question is, Indian nationalists were, options are against British arbitrary law rule, or in favor of British arbitrary rule, or support British arbitrary rule. Again, answer is against British arbitrary rule. It was brutal. So, Indian nationalists were against British rule, arbitrary rule. Next question is, Hindu Succession Amendment Act came in, options are 2005 or 2002 or 2007. Answer is 2005. Hindu succession law came in year 2005. That is all for today. I hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताइए। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, फ्रेंड्स के साथ में, रिलेटिव्स के साथ में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कर लीजिए। चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि आपको नए नए वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम टू टाइम मिलते रहे। फिर मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो में एक नए चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, हैव अ ग्रेट डे।